That's ISO?
Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post to say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my post to say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind.
Good day everyone. We are the second group and we're here to explain to you and show to you the comparison between a boiler feed water and an engine cooling water. Now, let us dive in, starting off with the boiler feed water.
So, a boiler feed water is treated fresh water that is fed inside the boiler by means of feed pump from the cascade tank or hot well, which is considered as an essential part of boiler operations. Basically, this boiler feed water is the one that turns into steam from the heat of the burner. Since boiler converts the treated water, which is the boiler feed water, into steam, that steam is used to various consumers such as turbine, fuel oil, lube oil heating, and others. Then, the condensed part of that steam goes back into the cascade tank and suggested for quality checking to continue efficient boiler operations.
We can consider the quality of boiler feed water by checking on its suggested characteristics and properties. So let us discuss the characteristics of the boiler feed water. First of all, the boiler feed water contains water, which is the only substance that has higher heat capacity. That's why water is considered as an ideal raw material for boiler operations. This boiler feed water is recirculated throughout the system and is never in contact with the atmosphere to prevent aeration or the occurrence of corrosive gases such as the oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Additionally, boiler water must be frequently treated in order to be proficient in producing steam. The main reason why we treat the boiler is to prevent scaling and corrosion inside the boiler.
Other than that, the boiler feed water must have to be alkaline and not acidic so that it does not ruin the tubes. Checking the power of hydrogen or pH level of the boiler feed water is essential to treat the boiler feed water properly and provide efficient boiler operations.
When it comes into the engine cooling water, the engine cooling water is secreted fresh water that is circulated by the use of pump through the engine, through a heat exchanger, and the whole circuit as well. The fresh water in this system absorbs the heat of the engine. So basically, engine cooling water is used to dissipate large amount of heat.
Just like the boiler feed water, the engine cooling water should also be properly treated as it needs standard requirement for engine cooling system. Its characteristic is consist of demineralized distilled water, which means some mineral matter, especially salts, are removed from the engine cooling water. And this to prevent corrosion as well into our engine cooling system.
Additionally, the engine cooling water runs through a closed system in order to provide cooling into our main engine and other machineries on board.
To conclude, boiler feed water and engine cooling water are the same liquid substances that are used in different operations and systems. The boiler feed water is intended only for boiler machine and is used in steam generation, while the engine cooling water is used in cooling water systems, which is used to cool various machineries, especially the main engine. That would be all for this video presentation. We hope that you have learned something from us. Thank you guys for listening. See you next time.